and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing an ultimate clean with me where I'm going to be taking you along with me as I clean up my house for the weekend pretty much. I like to do a good solid weekend clean every weekend because some of you may or may not know I run a daycare out of my home. Tends to get a little bit crazy here throughout the week, so on the weekend I like to try to make sure that I am getting everything clean and getting my house kind of reset and back to normal for Monday's chaos to start all over again. So I'm going to show you kind of what we're working with here. It's not too bad today, but we definitely need to straighten up pretty much every room. We've got some recycling completely scattered along the floor, thanks to Holden. I've got to clean off my table. I got some stuff that has to go downstairs there. I have a lot of stuff that needs to go to the recycling. So those boxes there need to go to the recycling. Obviously these ones too. Then I've got some more over here. I just have to quickly tidy up the kitchen. There's not a whole lot in here that I have to do. Just empty the dishwasher and put the new dishes in it. And then I've got all of this recycling over here that needs to go out. And this down here is full too. So that's all got to go to the recycle bin. Same thing with our office. Like, it's not too bad. My my boyfriend's closet is in here because I take over the whole closet. So all his clothes are in here. So he always ends up leaving a messy pile of clothes on the floor, but whatever. We'll get to that. We'll straighten up the office as well. In Holden's room, we're not too bad. We just got some clothes there on the floor, and then he's been playing with some of his trains, but we're not too bad in here. And in our bedroom, of course, once again, clothes on the floor. That is a thing in my house. Clothes on the floor. I gotta make the bed. That's pretty much it, you guys. So we're not in too bad a shape today. But now I'm gonna take you downstairs. And I mean, you guys have seen this before. Excuse the lighting down here. I don't have all the lights on yet. Here, let's turn these on. There we go. So definitely have to do some tidying up here. Holden's been playing down here as I've been working out. But yeah, we definitely have some tidying up to do here. Look at all these books back here, you guys. This is insane. Yeah. So I think I'm going to start in the basement since I'm down here already. And we're just going to get that knocked off because that seems like it's going to be the hardest part. Everything else isn't too bad. It's generally just general straightening up, tidying up. But down here, it's going to take me a little bit.
I know that we would never work. I know that someone would get hurt. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. 'Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? I want you.
You're stuck inside my head. Oh, I can't stop thinking about all the words you said. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you so damn much. Every word you say, every time we touch. I love you now. I want you. I want you. I want you.
Okay, you guys, so we are as clean as we can be with Holden down here making a mess as I clean. But it looks pretty good. I managed to get up all those books. Oh my gosh, it's such a cramped little corner in there while I have this Christmas tree here. Got this Christmas tree in the corner, so everything's a little cramped. Okay, Holden, we'll get you some juice right away.
Juice. Juice.
You want some juice?
Yeah.
Can you say please?
Please.
Okay, let's go get some.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you.
Okay guys, so we are going ahead and getting started in the kitchen. As you can see, I am starting to take some of that recycling out. There's a lot of it, and you'll see that in a second here. I'm going to be getting it all together. I'm going to be taking out, but first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and try to clear off the counters and put everything back. Like I said, there's not a whole heck of a lot in here, so it's not too bad, but definitely still need to get to the dishes and whatnot.
Tonight, so just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
You guys, look at all of this recycling that I had to take out. I was just storing it up. It has been so cold here. I'm in Canada, if you don't know, and it has been really cold the past few days, so I was just storing it up. I didn't want to actually take it outside, but I finally just braved it, and I just ran outside and got it done really quickly, but I definitely had a lot.
I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next.
So now moving on into Holden's room. As you guys saw before, there's not a whole lot in here, just a couple of toys to pick up and make up his bed and whatnot, and get rid of some of the clothes on the floor.
Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be kissing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to.
Second last room of the day is our master bedroom, and it was time to change the sheets, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and make the bed, of course. And I got this linen spray that I forgot that I had. I used to always love spraying linen spray on my bedding, and I haven't done it in forever, and then all of a sudden I kind of remembered about my linen spray, so I went ahead and put that on there. But do you guys use linen spray at all? Is that a thing? Am I just, I don't an old lady that I do that. I've not really seen any clean tubers use linen spray, and I love it. So let me know in the comments down below if you use linen spray.
Pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone.
Alright you guys, well that is pretty much it for my ultimate clean with me. I hope I was able to give you some cleaning inspiration. If I did, I would love it if you would go ahead and hit that like button, and if you have not yet done so, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before January 1st, so I'd absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. Anyways, thanks so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know